Hi Apple lovers, and welcome to another episode of the Tech Hub. And in this episode we are unboxing the MacBook Air 15-inch Sky Blue. It just arrived today, so let's get unboxing. Let's start the episode. Okay, so let's start with my expectations. So I've been watching YouTube videos all day, and it seems a mix of 50-50 of some people just saying, oh, it's silver with a little bit of blue, and then others are saying, oh, I love the blue in this, it looks fantastic. I'm recording this in the evening, which I don't usually do, so it's quite dark. Let's see how it looks, but ultimately, I surprised myself. I wasn't planning to get a MacBook Air. I am swapping from the MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 to the new MacBook Air 15-inch M4. I'm going to do a review video and explain why I've switched this weekend. So future me will put a description, we'll put a link in the description box below and a link somewhere up here. So future me, put it on. Okay, so let's unbox this thing. Okay, so like I said, I went for the M4, 16 gigs, of course, that's baseline now, with 512 storage. It's been a while since I've had a 15-inch. I went from the 15-inch to the 13-inch to the 14-inch, and now back to the 15-inch. But that color just got me intrigued. But the M4 chip I know performs on my Mac Mini. That does have 24 gigs of RAM though, so the difference will be interesting. So without delay, let's get unboxing. Are we ready? Oh, love it. And this one? I can't get it. Ah, there we are. Oh, okay, there it is. I'm gonna save the actual unboxing of that for a second. So let me just pop this down. So as usual, you get this pamphlet. Oh, look at that. So in the UK here, there was an option of a 35 watt, I believe, dual USB-C or the 70 watt. I like the sound of the dual, and also I've got enough patience to not need 70 watt for the extra £20. But I do like the fact that there's got two ports on it. So that's why I went for that. So there's the plug. I love these braided cables, man. Now, based on the sky blue of the braided cable, which is a colour match, I'm expecting it to look pretty sky blue. I mean, it's certainly better already. Remember the iPhone 15 blue? Come on, that was white, man. We're not in that predicament. So, I'm not even going to check the pamphlet for stickers. So here we are. Now. Yeah, I can definitely see the blue. Yeah, definitely. I'm not disappointed. Definitely silvery blue. And right now, in the light, I don't know if it's going to pick it up well. Actually, I think it can. There's a white light right there. Shining directly on that, you can see the light blue. So I'm super happy so far. So yeah, so I'm super happy so far. Let's see what it looks like with the keyboard and the screen. Oh, oh. That wasn't very loud, I don't think you heard it. But no, based on this big white light, I'm really happy with that. So anyway, that's it for this unboxing. I'm going to get this thing set up. I'm going to migrate, and I'm going to hopefully get it going tonight so I can use it and test it for a couple days. And like I said, this weekend, I'm going to do a full review of it. So be sure to click subscribe and notification to see that video coming up. And of course, you can follow me on Instagram and Threads at TechHubWiltsUK, and check out my website, which is www.techhubwiltsuk.co.uk, and I'll see you on that review video.